Malaysia boleh.
Boleh.
Which one is really scary?
This one. The green one.
Curl and screw. We are at the newest and coolest water park of Malaysia. We are at SplashMania. It's only a 30-minute drive away from Kuala Lumpur Central. We're gonna give you the full experience of this water park. I'm super excited about this.
You're not doing this alone now, you're doing this with...
Nuna!
Hey, what's happening, Joe?
At the very start of this park, we got a grand entrance right here with a waterfall on the left. Steam coming from the floor on the right at the SplashMania Gamuda Cove. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you later. It's gonna be so much fun. Are we all good? So they're checking our bags. What are you checking it for?
For no outside food.
No outside food. We didn't bring anything, but one bottle, 500 milliliters is okay to bring in. Let's go. Thank you. Can we scan this? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice, and we are in. We just entered the water park. We got some lockers. We have some nice changing rooms, obviously, for the ladies and for the gents. Now we are in the park. There are 39 water slides. It's gonna be exciting, not only for kids, but also for adults like you and me. We purchased one of these waterproof bags. We can film basically everything with our own phones, like all the water slides, pretty much all the water slides. So that gives you a little personal touch. Coming here, let's dance! And I think we're gonna do most of the slides. Luna is a little bit anxious about the most scary ones.
I'm not going to do those.
Well, you're not gonna do those, but I hope we are able to film most of those anyway. And while we're walking towards the massive ship that they built, we're passing the kids zone. And I'm saying kids zone, the water slides are not really childish, to be honest. If you're looking at the top ones, they're quite scary as well. And every minute there's this massive water bucket filling up and splashing everyone away. I think we're gonna keep our t-shirts on because most of the people are wearing them. Now, we're not really used to do this, especially not while visiting a water park. But I think we're just gonna blend in. We're trying to blend in anyway. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take you first to the massive ship, so we're gonna have a good view of the park from up there, and then we're taking you for some slides. I don't know.
Look at that slide, it's so steep.
Man, it's gonna be very scary. This park opened literally a year ago, on the 6th of February 2023, and now we are here during the week. You know, we picked this day because it's less busy. We have this park for ourselves, and pretty much all of the attractions are open, all of the water slides are open. And this ship actually we saw when we were driving from the airport to town, because this park is actually not too far away from the airport. Maybe another half an hour, if not less than that. Where are we going?
Titanic experience.
Okay, we're going higher and higher. It is actually quite big, but we've been recently to a water park in Thailand, and comparing this park, it's maybe less big, less acres, but it's more compact. You got this massive pool with a wide beach and so many water slides all around. Luna,
Yeah.
are you? Woohoo! How do you like it so far? I think we've seen enough of the park from up here. Guys, it's going to be an exciting moment.
Where do you want to go first?
I don't know!
Go!
Let's go! To warm us up a little bit, we've got the Typhoon Terror, the twin turbo, and the curl and swirl. For this one, we need a tube.
And 2 persons.
Which one is the easiest? The blue one. And which one is really scary?
This one.
The
green one.
curl and screw. Oh. Typhoon Terror! Oh, this is gonna be a very scary one! Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Woo! You okay?
Yes.
This one, the curl and swirl. be race.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see who wins.
Yeah.
2, 3. Wow! Oh, they won! The Netherlands got close second! Woo! We ordered some fries with some chicken strips. Some theme parks you're going to, they overprice their food, their drinks. Over here, I think there are fair prices. 23 ringgit for 2 cokes, some fries and chicken strips.
Finger licking good.
I'm loving it. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Tropical plants, left and right. Some nice gardening here at SplashMania. Guys, let's check out some more water slides. We're taking you to Monster and Twister. First, we're checking out Monster. Let's go to Twister! She's going backwards! When you finish with the tube, you can just leave it behind. There's a massive conveyor belt taking it up again for our next slide. Very child friendly this park is. And we're back again right here to go to our next water slide. How cool is this that you can just chill here as parents? You're letting your children play here. There are lifeguards always around, so you don't have to worry about that. Obviously you're gonna keep an eye out on your kids yourself, but you don't have to worry here while you're sipping away a cold beverage. We're now doing the most scariest water slides. Hello. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, this is insane. Luna, what's your lucky number?
Number 8.
The strongest woman of SplashMania, there she is! Such a champ! Can we go to Shaka Waka? This one? Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Right at the beginning there is a food court, so we walked back, got us a little bit of cash, and then here at the food court there are a few choices. We've got 2 drinks, and look at these guys, look at these guys. Oh mate, with some jalapenos on there, some cheese, pickles, mate. A hot dog I ate in America, in Canada. They're not the same, but this is actually quite a good hot dog, I can tell you. After lunch, we just have a quick chill on the white beach. There also is some entertaining at 2:30, 4:30, 5:30. They have some dancing going on at this stage. We're not here to lay on the beach, but it is possible to, you know, whenever you are a little bit tired, to lay down on the beach for a little bit. Rest, let the food settle. We are actually from the Netherlands and we are as a guest here in Malaysia, and we are feeling super welcome. We are very happy to be here. We also don't feel like we're strangers over here. This country is so multi-diverse, multicultural that, yeah, we just mingle in. Like we are just one of, like a part of Malaysia. That's how we feel anyway. So thank you for making us very welcome. Thank you for making us very welcome. What's your name?
Azrael.
Azrael, where are you from, Azrael?
I am from Malaysia.
Malaysia?
Malaysia is very nice.
Malaysia is very nice. Malaysia boleh.
Boleh.
Hey.
One, no, another one.
Oh, number one. Number satu. Number satu.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Oh, Netherlands is very bad.
Thank you. See you. In KL, the big city where you expect people to not have so much time on their hands, they still make us feel welcome. Every time we come over here, Malaysia is growing on us. And I know a lot of people saying like, let's go to Sabah or go to the other side of Malaysia. We will eventually, but we cannot just do endless traveling. No, we are also budget dependent a little bit. We're looking forward to Singapore to see if it's really that clinical.
Where should we go in Singapore?
That's the question.
We only have 2 days though.
Now we take you for a cool ride named Spills and Trills.
Easy. Oh no, I'm going backwards.
This is something very unique I have never done before. We're gonna have goggles on with 3D vision while we're going through this insanely water slide. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let's go, let's check it out. Okay, I think we're going.
Okay.
Yes, we're going.
Oh my god,
What is
so
going
scary.
on? Oh my god, we are in this. This is insane. Whoa! What? No! No! No way! No way! We're gonna die! Help! I love you! Whoa! Oh my god! This is not good! This is not good for your heart. Where are we going?
I think we're already there.
Are we there? Yeah, I think so too. I take it off.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, we are here.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wait.
Wait. Oh my god, this is the most scariest thing I've ever done. You okay?
Yeah.
Mate! Such a cool invention. This was something... this blew my mind. I didn't even know they had this here before we arrived. And we saw it on the map and we thought, no, this is probably not what we think it is, and it is.
It's scary.
Yeah, excuse me.
Freaking scary.
Excuse me, Nuna. Not only water slides are here, there are several activities. Most of them, they charge a small fee for this. There's a possibility to rent a cabana for the day. There are trolleys available for kids. SplashMania, we could not show you everything in the whole day that we spent here. I think it doesn't matter what age, you will have a lot of fun over here. We've been to the one in Phuket, and I always like to compare, not saying something is better or worse, but how do you like this park compared to Phuket, the Andamanda water park we've done?
It's compact, more compact here.
Yeah.
So less walking. I don't like to walk.
Okay, fair.
Not a lot of lines, so that is a big plus. And well, food was really good as well.
Yeah.
It was simple, but
Yeah.
really good.
Simple, really good, and fair prices. You know, a little bit more than what you normally pay outside of a theme park. But yeah, this park is part of a bigger area,
Project.
bigger project. You got discovery, you got the wetlands. There are many things to discover over here. We're only staying here for 1 day, and I'm happy we took you for a little ride.
Was it
water
fun?
slides.
It was fun, right?
It was really good. I hope you enjoyed this episode as well. Please give it a thumbs up if you do so. And also, if you know someone that is into water parks or Southeast Asian content, because the channel Chai Travel is based in Thailand, we are showing you the beauty of Southeast Asia, and sometimes we do some fun stuff like this as well.
Thank you all for watching till the very end.
We would like to say from SplashMania in Malaysia, bye for now.
And stay tuned.
Woo!